What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the show. We're going to be going over DMI, Directional Movement Index. Okay, let me get the mic set. Okay, DMI. You have DMI positive, positive DI, and negative DI, right? These are basically directional trends. Indexes are kind of like MACDs, movement averages, things like that. You're looking for crossovers in space between the lines, all right? So the examples we're going to have right here, I'm going to be going over gold. Okay, I'm going to show you what I have everything set on. I have DI positive is green, negative is red. This is the average. ADX is the average directional index. So we're looking for crossovers. If we're bullish, all right, we're looking for a green, so a positive DI crossing average and negative DI, and then creating space, such as right here. All right. That's the first example, okay? See the space? We have a lot of chop right here, really no direction. You can see it in the chart, really no direction, okay? And then we have a negative DI showing, right? We have the cross right here on the average, cross right here on the positive with space. So here it is on the chart. So that's it, guys, DMI. It's very simple. Like I said, you can use this alongside other studies. It's basically a movement predictor and kind of like MACDs. I like to use it pretty much on all of my charts. The more long term I go, I don't really use it too much. It's more for an intraday type thing. I keep it generally on the 14-day length. So that's it for this video, guys. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, any criticisms, anything, feel free to leave a comment. I'll get back to you. You can also message me on my Instagram at storm_investments. You can also join our Discord. I'll put that in the description below. We play video games. We do all kinds of stuff, man. Also some stock stuff. So feel free to join that if you have any questions. Also, give me a like, comment, subscribe. If you don't mind, I will continue to upload for you guys. Any video suggestions you have, feel free to hit me up on that. I'll make you a video. I'll catch you on the next one. I appreciate it.